Vacation mode on. Welcome to Paradise Adventure Camp 1 and Resort. Are you a nature girly or simply just a person who loves surrounding themselves with nature? Are you looking for a place that has a good view, especially when the sun sets? What are you waiting for? Come and greet us where the paradise lies. Paradise Adventure Camp 1 and Resort.
Paradise Adventure Camp 1 and Resort is located in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. It is a public resort where you can rent a cottage for only 800 pesos and accommodate up to 15 people. The main activity area consists of 6 swimming pools, each of which includes obstacles to add to the excitement. The resort is not difficult to find. The route is easily accessible. And once there, anyone can find it right away.
A lot of additional amenities has recently been added to the place which makes it more exciting. Just from the entrance, you can see the well-maintained landscape that is so inviting. These camp resorts have different activity areas. We have maximized the place by building amenities for more fun-filled activities that guests can enjoy. Even with construction going on, they take up consideration the protection of the environment. They have the tree preservation and maintenance, and they have placed trash bins in designated areas.
That's right, but wait, there's more. You can also choose where to have your lunch or snack. There's the tree house, gazebo, and cottage to choose from. They also have friendly, fun-loving, and well-trained facilitators that are present to lead you with activities throughout the day. If you're thinking of spending the night, they also have newly built dormitory or retreat house for those who want to stay overnight.
If you have kids, they can try the kangaroo ride where you're testing their balance and skills, and the tree-top hinging ride. Can you also cross the tree-top safely? A line up and gun, water, and air activities are prepared for guests for an hour